Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do some tool making because, well, let's just say I had a predicament come up.
So my old hammer I drift, it's been out of commission for a while, but I just didn't want to remake it because I didn't think I could make a better version of it until I really started looking at it. As you can see, it's all bent up. This thing was straight at one point, and it made me think, well, what if it got all bent up and that's the main reason why it broke? The actual chisel part's still fine. But the real question I had was just because of this, the type of head I did. Now obviously this is made out of a railroad spike, and I will still be making it out of a railroad spike. So I'll just be figuring this out as I go, which means I probably will not be inserting a lot of commentary. The main things I will tell you is I'll be changing the way I do this for a reason, and I will be changing the handle material I use for a reason, because as you can see, this just was not an ideal handle material for this kind of tool. Splintered, broke, and that was another reason why this thing failed so badly. Though it worked for a few projects, like that old railroad spike tomahawk, I want to make something that can be more reliable because I have a couple bigger tools that I would like to be making in the future. Without further ado, we're going to hop right into it. Alright, so as you guys just saw, I got this thing all hardened up, all forged out. So now the plan for it is to give it two 2-hour tempering cycles at 450 is what I'm thinking. That's what works for the last few tools I've made out of railroad spikes. And then we will be grinding in the geometries of this and getting a handle fitted up for this. And we'll also probably be cleaning up the eye a little bit. Some of the drifting went a little bit astray, so I'll have to knock out those edges with a file.
Alright, and that is going to be the end of this project today, guys. Thanks so much for coming along. It was a ton of fun to make this thing, forge it out, and try to rethink my old process. Got the opportunity to use that old hammer handle that I've had for my crossbeam when it broke a little bit ago, so that was really nice. And I'm just going to show you guys some testing of this now, but remember to like, subscribe, it really helps us out a lot. We've seen a lot of growth lately. We recently just hit 200 subscribers, which is awesome. And just thank you guys so much for coming along and supporting us in this journey. Would you look at that? That's only after one heat. Reason it's off center is because I didn't put a guide drift marking or anything like that. I'm very excited to see what this thing can do and see what projects it opens up for the future.